won't you join me as we make a Moodle test server? And I'm here at Moodle.org. You can click on Downloads, but let's just click on Download Moodle LMS 4. If you've already got a web server and you'd like to download Moodle to put on your web server, you can use either of these, Moodle 4.1 Stable or the latest official update here. I don't have a server. I'd like to get the whole WAMP package, so I'll click on Moodle Installer Package for Windows. And here there are several packages to choose from. I'm going to go for Moodle 4.1 Plus, the latest stable version. Just click Download Zip. And I'm going to open this up in a Windows folder. Right-click and unzip this file. I'm going to set a location to unzip it to. Just put this right in the root of the C drive. And this will take a minute, but when it's finished, I'm going to go check it out. And here it is, but it's not quite what I want. I'd like the server directory to be right in the root of the C drive. So I'm just going to select all of these and click and drag and drop them right in there in the root of the C drive, and then delete this one. I'll double click on this Start Moodle file. And once that server is up and running, I'm going to go to a browser and browse to the local host. And there are several pages of information needed for the Moodle installation. And make sure to read the Windows installation using XAMPP document on docs.moodle.org. And I don't have sodium, and that's fine. And this is not a HTTPS server. I know that. That's fine. And once you get to this point, you just click Continue and then be patient because it's going to take a little while. And when the installation is complete, scroll through and look at any of the items that are in red and just see what they say and make sure there isn't anything important that needs to be addressed. And the next thing is to set up the main administrator account for the Moodle site and then some site settings. And again, read the Moodle documentation for more information if you run into trouble here. Next, some email information, and there, that's it. Moodle is installed. I'm going to check this out a little bit and click Home, and that's homey.